But anyway, thank you, Tony. How are you guys?
Hi.
Good.
So for those who don't know me, my name is Yemrai Zera. I'm an animal scientist,
Okay.
though I'm not a vegetarian. All right. So I joined Ignite. That was 2019. Um, I used to see it on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and I think I was in my part two, Marine University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology. So I told myself, I was turning 20 that year. So I told myself, no, my birthday, I'm going to gift myself, like what Sean said, is a gift is something that you can never birthday. I told myself I'm going to gift myself by joining Ignite. So I was at school, my sister, sent me money, get yourself pizza, and I'm like, no, the Ignite number, I paid my subscription. Then when you're in school, sometimes when you went to tennis, because I went there, but when I was around, I would come for the events, that's when I get some friends, the other, and yeah. So we also did purpose workshops to Sangana, we learning how to discover your purpose, it's what you want to do. Any something, any person, when I was growing up, I wanted to be this. But, school-wise, finding mom when I started doing subjects of this, then I opted for animal science because it's more like similar thing, but it's different. So, Ignite, was come here and do my discussions, both the curriculum is not very different. Because I'm going to put number two here because sometimes the work of the achieve that and you also get to discover solutions. Then after that, I graduated around 2021. That's when I finished school, I graduated in 2022. So Ignite taught me how to work. So after I finished school in December, in May, I got a job at Private Animal Health as a service officer. Then, so what's working hard is also knowing where you want to go. No Kupa, that thing, I really need to work hard because you know where you want to go. I'm like, yeah, like what I say, there's something that I want to do. I know myself, I haven't gotten where I want to do. When she was talking about your purpose and your legacy, I was actually thinking that as a rapper. And I was actually writing something down on my phone. And I'm like, gosh, I still don't know my YouTube. So after that, I got my job. I love animals. So I'm afraid of chickens. I'm afraid of chickens, but give me a cow, give me a pig for these things. But hey, chicken, please, give me on your own. So I got a job, started working, service officer. 3 months down the line, I got a promotion to become a technical. So I moved from Chiloi to Harare. I was like, yes, I moved back. Okay, now I take both Ignite events, get to learn. Then I come working on my events, it all got down. Then in Ipapo, yeah, Ipapo. I think there was like a year down the line, working with private, got another promotion at the age of 24. Believe it or not, I'm a branch supervisor at my age right now.
Wow.
Um, and I don't want us to stop me. That's why I'm going on to this. Because if I was someone else, I'd be like, no, I'm done. So Ignite, I've achieved what I want, but I haven't. So, down there, I'm not a branch supervisor, but where I literally, it's a I won't go there because it's for afternoon. I won't go there just for afternoon. But one thing that was my journey with Ignite, and I'm still learning. Because purpose is actually something that's very important. You get to know what you wanna do, where you wanna go. Like recently, like what is your signature? I read it on it was on Monday. So I said, I know I figured out in much as I want to pursue my purpose, in as much as I need to get a master's that's not something related to what I get, but in terms of business. Because with where I want to go, I now need to know how to run a business, how people will be working with, they to run their own business. Also, you need to know how to be a good leader whilst you're in business. So it's one thing that I need to know in as much as when you teach on that Peter or teach on Peter or it doesn't mean to that's why where your purpose is supposed to be sitting. You might actually have a different purpose. Well, it's now, I think also it now depends with, in Inuago, I think Shaka's will make a bit faster for me to discover where my paper is supposed to be. But during that process, I've also seen that there are other skills that I'm supposed to learn so that I can support my purpose. They are not directly related to my purpose, but indirectly they lead to where I want to be with my purpose. I think I'm not explaining what my purpose is because it's afterlife. So wait for afterlife. Wait for afterlife. But that's been my testimony. That's how my journey has been. And if I did it, you can also do it. And I know if you keep on coming to this session with your get over 100 times, and you do it, you're not going to discover it. No matter what I'm not going to say, what am I going to say? Because I actually need to go and rediscover it. So, yeah, that has been my journey with Ignite. I definitely